Sorry about that, guys. I got a phone call and stopped the video. So here are the last four problems. On this problem, the parent function, you can see it's linear, g of x equals x. So how do we get from here to here? We went down 2. And we could just graph this. Slope-intercept form, down 2 from that point, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Nice and easy. Next, absolute value. Okay, how do we go? This is left 5 and down 2. Okay, the parent function is f of x equals absolute value of x. Left 5, down 2. So that's my vertex. Negative 5, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2. Okay, and from here our slope is 1. Up 1, over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, next problem. Here we have square roots. So the parent function, h of x equals square root of x. So here again, left 2, down 5. Now, on this one, okay, so negative 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's a little bit different. Yes, we want perfect squares, okay? Yes, we want perfect squares. Okay, so we want it to be 0, 1, 4, and 9. But if we plug in a 0, what's 0 plus 2? That's 2, okay? So that's not going to work. How do we get a 0 here? Well, we get a 0 by negative 2, okay? Notice that's my vertex. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. There's my vertex, okay? So now, how do we come up with a positive 1? What here gives us a positive 1? Well, negative 1 plus 2 is a positive 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. How am I going to get the square root to come up with a 4? What plus 2 gives me 4? 2 plus 2 gives me 4. So 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And the last one, how am I going to get a 9? How do I get the square root to equal 9? What plus 2 gives me 9? That's a 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 minus 5, negative 2. So I have to plot these numbers. All right? So negative 2, 5 is here. Negative 1, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2, negative 3. And then 7, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 2. And there you go. And again, just to remind you of the domain and range, because there's some problems in your homework. The domain, x such that x is, keep doing that, sorry, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, domain. Range, y such that y is greater than or equal to, in this case, it's negative 5. Okay, and the last one, it's a quadratic, so h of x equals x squared. And how do we get from the parent to here? We're going up 1. This is an xy table. We can see our vertex is 0, 1. So we're going to use 0, 1, and 2. 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reflect. You can see here that the AOS is 0. Okay, Those are the other 4 problems that I did not get to. And then here was problem 4, which I believe got cut off. So here's problem 4, which I believe got cut off from the previous page. Okay, should have been left one up 3, and we needed the vertex was -1, 3. We used the y-intercept of 0, and we got 4, and then our third point was a 1. And there we go, guys. Thanks for part 1 and part 2, and you have homework on Sophia, and good luck.